In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sports t-shirt design on Canva. To get started, open Canva and search for t-shirts or sports t-shirt in the search bar. This pulls up a canvas sized for apparel and a range of ready-made templates. You can choose a pre-made sports template if you want a quick starting point, or click Create Blank for full creative control. Either way, you'll be working on a layout that's optimized for printing, which helps you focus on design rather than setup. If you're starting blank, keep your main artwork centered and avoid placing key elements too close to the edges. Now, add your visual elements. Head to the Elements tab and search for sports-related graphics like basketball, jersey, swoosh, or vintage sports. You can also upload your own team logos or photos. Use the filters to focus on simple, bold graphics that print cleanly, and try mixing icons with textured shapes to create energy and motion. Add your text by clicking the text icon. Insert a heading for the team name, a subheading for a slogan, and body text for numbers or player roles. Explore Canva's font pairs for a professional feel. A strong display font for the team name and a clean secondary font for details works well. Scale your text so it's readable from a distance, and keep spacing consistent. Adjust colors to match team identity. Click on Text, Shapes, and Graphics to swap colors quickly. High contrast is key for visibility on fabric, so test light on dark and dark on light combinations. If you have specific brand colors, enter their hex codes for accuracy. Use shapes and lines to frame your design. Add borders, stripes, or panels to create a jersey-like structure. Lines can anchor text, and circles or badges can highlight a logo. Keep the composition balanced so the eye moves naturally across the shirt. Refine your layout by dragging elements into place and using the corner handles to resize. Watch for alignment guides to snap items into line. For extra polish, try effects like curved text for arches or a subtle shadow for depth. Keep effects clean, as overly heavy styles can muddy on fabric. Set the background to transparent so the shirt color shows through. This makes it easy to swap between different shirt colors without redesigning. If you want a preview, use Canva's mockups to see your design on a model or a flat lay t-shirt. It's a great way to spot spacing issues and present options. When you're happy, click Share, then download. Choose PNG as the file type and check transparent background for best print results. Note that transparent PNG is a pro feature. Save your file, and you're ready to print. Thanks for watching.